Welcome back. If you want to find all your volunteering activity on Facebook using a PC, this quick tutorial will walk you through the new update step by step. It only takes a few moments, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to look. First, open the Facebook app on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once you're on the home screen, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will open your main account options. From there, go to Settings and Privacy. When that menu appears, click on it to expand the available choices. Next, select Activity Log. This is where Facebook stores a lot of your past actions, interactions, and profile-related activity in one place. Inside the activity log, look for the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Click on it to continue. This area helps you sort through different categories of activity connected to your account, so it's the right place to find what you're looking for. Now scroll or search until you see volunteering. Once you find it, click on volunteering and enter that section. Here, Facebook will show you the volunteering details that are linked to your profile, including any entries you may have added before. If you don't see it right away, take your time and check carefully through the activity categories. Facebook updates its layout often, so the option may appear slightly different depending on your version, but the path should still be very similar. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can access all your volunteering information on Facebook from your PC. If this helped, make sure to keep following for more simple Facebook tutorials like this one.